Blessings and greetings. This message is for the Pacific Northwest for June summer solstice of 2018 time period. It is an honor to be hosting again the Otomi Toltec Nation in the vision and the prophecy of the 8,000 drum gathering. Last gathering was in 1521. Bringing together the sacred songs and dances of healing medicine for the healing of Mother Earth and the hearts. Bringing together the condor of the south and the eagles of the north in all four directions, honoring and giving gratitude to the plant kingdom, the mineral kingdom, and the animal kingdoms. Let's gather together during this time and share our medicines of songs and sacred dance on this opportunity. Please call if you are able to host at your home, your business, your community, your nation at 206-465-4430. Infinite gratitude.